There's not many places you can't reach in a solid axle Toyota. But this time we're taking the adventure past where any roads will take you. Out here the river becomes the road, and these tiny jet boats are built to skim across water barely deep enough to cover the hull. Until you suck up a bunch of rocks, of course.
Give it a twist and shout.
Baby, come back.
Oh, I see it right here.
This one's built based off of a 10-foot Wattscraft hull made from 1/4-inch aluminum plate. It's backed with 1/2-inch UHMW so it can smash and slide across rocky sections without destroying itself. Behind us sits a supercharged Rotax engine. It's making over 200 horsepower, which is pretty ridiculous in something this small. Every time I do, I find I want to make your dreams come true. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
That's not a good sign. What happened?
Big time rocks.
I don't even know if any of these are going to be big enough.
8 probably?
No, they're not going to be big enough.
Torch work? No.
Oh yeah, you need like
you have 5/16, which is bigger than anything else in your metric set here. I don't know.
You need like an extension and an 8mm Allen.
Let's see Tyler House
with a 3/8 drive.
Well,
can you get it? Give it a twist and shout.
Baby, come back.
Oh, I see it right here. Here, let me grab it.
Yep.
Don't spin it. Yeah, this is how you cut your finger off. Oh, it's jammed really bad.
How sharp's the impeller on that?
Really it's sharp. Quite sharp.
Just from being grinding with gravel, probably?
Yeah, it's lapped with rock.
Oh my god, we should the fuck out of that blade.
Yeah, that's not good.
Is that gonna
oh boy.
Take the other head off?
Well, Ben, there's not much for teeth left on this impeller. Have a look.
Well, that's good.
That's where the...
How much do you really need?
You might have to take this side off.
The jet side?
I don't know. Can you see much in there?
Have you tilted the other way?
Oh, dude, missed that, but all the rocks fell out.
Okay,
give her a spin. Give her a spin.
Well, let's just send her.
Is it good?
Yes, it's perfect. Look, watch.
Yes, we're good.
But I'll tell you what, it's totally fucking destroyed.
Yeah, it's hurt. Injured quite badly.
There's a lot of dings in there.
There's some dings and dangs.
But it might just be enough to keep going.
Send it, buddy. Bud. Back where it lives.
Okay.
Bolts.
Josh, you need beer?
What kind of side by side did you buy?
RZR 1000.
Oh.
Slightly gray, but
Pretty fun, man.
I wish I could like put my hands in ice to shrink them.
It's pretty fucking fun, man.
yeah, I don't
Feel
know.
pretty good.
I want to come up with you guys one day and see you guys can keep up to the rock trawlers.
We're definitely not. You're dive. It's dive.
Is it just? Oh
It's way too much tolerance, right? It's scrubbing air.
Is it that open? Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh my God! It won't even.
Oh, wow. It is.
Rear reverse.
That's
You're
crazy.
in reverse? Pull your lever up.
Did he put it together backwards?
His reverse lever's down.
Oh, we're on.
Cheeky devil. Seems to be working.
The boats had taken a beating, and so did we. But none of us are really ready to head home yet. The next morning, we decided to head out in search of something cool. But the best spots usually aren't marked on a map, so we jumped in the truck and started exploring.
What did you find? Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is sick. Jump off of there?
Yeah.
Wow. We just kind of came down this random little, I don't know, side creek and we found an insane swimming spot. That's so nice. Yeah. This water is insanely green. So nice. What do you think, Ellie? Pretty good?
She's like, I wish you guys would let me swim. We could go in that little pool.
Good
We could go in that little pool.
These rocks are crazy looking. They're all holy and hollow and they look like a brain or something. That's wild. How bizarre. Ellie, what do you think? Hey? This was a pretty large tree. Just deleted. Ellie, come here. Up, up. Ellie, come on. Up, up. Come here. Come on. Up, up. Good girl. Sit. Ellie, sit. Good girl. Isn't that a big tree, Ellis? We just hang out here. Yeah? Look at this. Right on. Ellie, come here. Good girl. Good girl.
After a quick exploration in the truck, it was time to explore upriver even more. Let's see how far we can make it in these things.
around it.
I'll get out.
This
What
is
the
sick.
hell?
She got a bit shallow there. That's a tree. There's a tree there. Did you see the tree there? Snagged? Yeah, we hit that one before. It's all good. That was